So I'm out here at a brand new track right now because Steve came over the other day and I didn't really feel like filming everything. I was just kind of enjoying the moment, but we had a good time. A couple bags of chips and a case of beer later, we decided that what you see behind me was a good idea. So that day we planned out the track. We ran a whole bunch of laps on it. We even ran some times just to see what it was like, just for fun and kicks. And we now have a racetrack in the field. It's pretty ripped up from that car. It did really well. And so now we're just gonna build onto that. Oh, just jump the phone. Yep. That was my time, 48?
No,
what?
It was at the bottom there, the lap thing there.
38. Okay, reset. And as soon as we hit that tree, we start, right?
I suppose, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Let me try the track first there, one lap?
Yeah, you can get a couple laps in. Let me talk to the audience. I wasn't even recording. What's up, dudes? We're going on a rough ride here. And anyways, this is our first time on our rally track, our go-kart track, our rallycross lawn tractor track, whatever you want to call it. So we're testing it out today. Woo, laying down some track marks and timing each other. See how fun it is. Oh, you crazy, I say? Like a big chicane going on here. Oh yeah. Crazy bastard.
Let's go now?
Not right now. Look over there.
Where are the three?
This fast? No. You gotta stop first. All right, so I did it real. I ran a lap. Thanks. 38 seconds and something. Uh-oh, dude. I need your pen.
Oh, fuck.
Show the internet. So I ran 38 something. So I'm gonna step outside and time Steve because I don't want to die. Good luck, bro. Do it.
All right.
Don't spill the beer.
Yeah.
All right. Here it comes. I'm gonna get this thing started. Hey, you burn a lot of gas, dude.
Yeah, red line.
Just find something to mark that off that corner.
Yeah, it's tough. I'm not sure where I already got it. Chicane's starting to be nice there. You're starting to be able to throw the ass a little bit.
Yeah. You made a mess on this part? Oh, dude.
Yeah.
Destroyed it.
We gotta go flatten this out a little bit.
Yeah, let's go get that grate and make a tool.
Yeah.
My truck going, those new brakes are just dragging something behind it. Round and round we go. Yeah, buddy! Damn. I see it there, man. Feel the G-force make your stomach go.
Yeah. Slash the rear around.
You still gotta hold yourself in. Like,
Yeah. I'm like.
legs are planted on the outside.
Things in some spots that I'm like doing it so much.
Yeah. Alright, so we changed these tires. We put some bald 18s on it that I used to use for drifting, and it's working out pretty good. You like it?
Yeah, it slides.
So we're still out here playing with our car at the rally car. I haven't really filmed much, but we're just having a good old time. Check out the track we made. That looks so good. Holy shit. Feel good?
Yeah.
That is the combination. Bald, old, drifted tires. Look at the dirt patch of that. So, what was I doing today? I've been working my ass off, clearing up some woods and stuff. Check it out. So that was all trees and brush before. I spent the day cleaning that out because behind me is the racetrack. That's where we're going to be running the off-road cars, the karts, if we build them. But basically for now what we got is that Accord rally car deal. We're going to play with that, and I wanted a spot back here that we're going to start opening up. If you remember behind me right here, it's kind of hard to tell because of the change of season, but on an earlier video it was all snowed in, and then there was another video where we kind of started working and cutting up the brush and stuff like that. That's behind me here. It's kind of bright here. So that's all behind me. And so what I'm doing is I'm trying to clear it out a bit now that the track is here, and we're going to start playing around, and I want to get this every second Saturday club off the ground kind of thing, right? So I started clearing out all in here. Whoa, I'm still in a ditch. And that's going to be a spot. Eventually there's going to be more track back there. So what's behind me is like Think of it like the GP circuit kind of deal, all flat and everything. And then over here in the woods, I want to have like the party zone, a garage spot, place to work on the cars, hang out, chill, maybe put an RC track, stuff like that. And also have like a part of the track in there. Hopefully if we start getting heavy into rallycross or something like that, have a couple jumps and things in there to make it like really kind of cool. And that way I don't see it from my house, and it's pretty chill and relaxed, and we could have a good time. Made some room in there, hanging out at the track with our itty bitty rally car. This is our wannabe play with rally car. It's a Honda Accord 2007, I think. Got given to us, and the deal was if we sold it that we'd have to give up the cash. So we kept it and we're playing with it. It's automatic, unfortunately. Radio doesn't work, unfortunately. It's got this cool thing, fortunately, that's, you know, character. But in the front, we're running winter tires. We've got another set, but they're in better shape, so we're gonna mess these up first. The car's actually like insanely clean. It's the K24, I believe. It's a 2.4 liter. It's got VTEC and all that fun stuff. Look at it. Look how clean that is. Huh? Not bad. Interior wise, don't really matter, but it's actually pretty clean in there too, despite all the garbage and stuff in there and the tools and whatnot and leftover beer cans. So this is the toy we're playing with. It needs brakes. We totally screwed up the brakes, and this corner got ultra hot. So needs new pads, new rotors, new drums, new shoes, all that fun stuff. The reason for these 18s in the back is it's an old set of drip tires, so we just put a whole bunch of air pressure in them, and they're a bit wider and they're smooth and bald, so they just slide around the field really good. The front, those are winter tires. They provide nice grip, and the back just seems to follow it around. So we're gonna have a lot of fun with this one. So this car is probably, hopefully, the first of maybe many. I got something else around the house, maybe we'll go check out later, but it's kind of a fun little thing. Now it's throwing me off of like not working on the drift car and stuff, and I feel like kind of obligated, but I mean, it's summertime. I gotta learn to enjoy it a bit, and this is definitely enjoyment. Well, I'm calling it a rally car, but really it's just a car that we do rally stuff with that we probably shouldn't.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands, strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law, hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night, try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Potential fuel car number 2. 2002 Chevy, well, it's GMC Sonoma, Chevy S10, 4.3 V6 manual transmission, needs fuel pump, needs master cylinder for the brakes. It's definitely something to think about.